Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class nursery. Our today's topic is write in numbers. It's part 1. That means this is the first class on the topic write in words. Your lecture number is 6 and your homework number is also 6. Now let's start our class. Our today's question is, this is the topic, write in words from 1 to 5. Write in words from 1 to 5. That means we need to write down these words in spelling in these boxes. So like the previous classes, that means when we write down in words, we will use from left to right. Again here we should write down left to right, okay? And the first number is 1. So the spelling of 1 is what? The spelling of 1 is O-N-E, 1. O-N-E. The first letter should be in capital and the other letter should be in smaller. Now write down this one in the box. It's O-N-E-1. It's O-N-E, 1. This is the number 1 which is spelled here, okay? O-N-E, 1. After 1 the number comes which is 2. The spelling of 2 is T-W-O, 2. T-W-O, 2. The first letter again is capital and the other is smaller. Now it will be 2 in the next of one is T-W-O, 2. Again here is T-W-O, 2. O-N-E-1 is T-W-O, 2. After 2 the number comes which is 3 and the spelling of 3 is T-H-R-E-E. T-H-R-E-E, or you can say it T-H-R-E-E, no problem. And remember, it will be first letter always, it will be capital and the other one will be a small letter. So the spelling of 3, it will be in this box. It's T-H-R-E-E, 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3, or you can say T-H-R-E-E, 3. Both are correct. Now dear students, after 3 the number comes which is 4. The spelling of 4 is F-O-U-R, 4. The spelling of 4 is F-O-U-R, and again remember the first letter always be capital. So you should write down here 4. The spelling of 4 is F-O-U-R, 4. So O-N-E-1, T-W-O, 2, T-H-R-E-E, 3, F-O-U-R, 4, and next number is 5. It's F-I-V-E, 5. The spelling of 5 is F-I-V-E, 5. Okay. And remember again, the first letter must be in capital. So the last spelling of 5 is F-I-V-E, 5, which is our last word today. So the words I have written down here is O-N-E-1, then 2, T-W-O, 2, then 3, T-H-R-E-E, 3, or you can say T-H-R-E-E, 3, then 4, F-O-U-R, 4. After that the last number of today is F-I-V-E, 5. I hope you have understood how to write down. You must do your HW. This HW is same. That means HW number 6 you must mention in your left top corner of your HW copy. The HW is same. This means that this is your HW also. Please do your HW properly in your assigned HW copy, and you can submit the HWs from every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah in the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.